In this video, I want to talk about how you can refund items on Temu without having to return your item. Now, keep in mind, this is only for some things, and sometimes you can only get a partial refund, but it sometimes works. What you want to do is you want to come up here and you want to head to your orders. Once you're inside of your orders, you want to find the order that you want to do a refund on, and there will be a button called return/refund. You simply want to click on that one and you want to check if you're eligible for a refund. Now it will give you some requirements on what you need before you can refund. But like I said at the start, you want to keep in mind that most of the time you need to return the item unless there's like errors with it and stuff. But for some things, you can actually get a refund or a partial refund without returning the item. So that is how it's done, guys. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.